giggles out.
Oh, the giggles. He's got the giggles.
Alright, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to Brillare. We're here to install a brand new intercom system at this client's house. It's a double story, so it's going to be quite tricky to do. So we're going to install this outdoor unit outside where the doorbell used to be, and this indoor unit's going to go internally next to the alarm keypad. So basically we've got to run a 4-core cable from the outdoor unit up the wall and round the whole house. It's probably the easiest way is to take it through the single story section. So it was just too much difficulty taking it through the double story section. So we're going to be using a 4-core security cable that's inside just there. And yeah, we're going to be using a snake to get up through the cavity into where James is up at the top of the roof there. And we're going to have to kick some tiles and run it around the outside of the house. And yeah, and then this will give them better security. They'll be able to see who's at the front door, and they can come through to their mobile phone as well through the Wi-Fi. The challenge mainly would just be, because it's double story, we just got to kick some tiles and yeah, run it through cavities. But I can't see any real challenges. It'll just be pretty straightforward. It's what we do every day.
Ross, answer your phone.
The person you are calling
Answer your phone.
I'm taking the switch off.
Okay, can you move the switch around? I'm just a bit...
Here it comes.
Oh, you're back down there. Oh yeah, I see where you are. Okay, that's all right. It's going the wrong way, almost. All good, give me 1 minute.
So basically we're just getting the snake up the wall to make sure there's a cavity here. James is in the roof. He's going to tie on the cable that went out to the front. I'm going to pull it down, and then I'm going to mount the indoor unit in the place of this. So this is coming off, and it's just going to go there.
All right guys, so Ross has just sent me in the cable from the roof out there, put through the tiles, then I've run it through in here, dripping sweat right now, but sent it back down to him where the internal monitor is going to be. And yeah, I'm ready to get out. Feels like summer again.
Yeah, so basically the client here, he wants, this is an old alarm system, and it's just been giving him a great hassle. Went off at 3 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, so he just wants it disconnected. So we're just cutting it all up, push the cable excess back into the ceiling. So if he ever wants to reinstate it, there's cables there.
Cut myself with knives. Can't be trusted. Patched up by Nurse Ross. I'm just hopping up back into the roof just to run some power for this internal monitor. From there, the cable that we just ran, the 4-core cable to the front, will supply power from there to the front unit, and therefore we'll be ready to power up and test out the system and set it up.
Do you like the football?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'd say my Scottish team were Yeah, so basically we're just fitting off the outdoor unit now. Only needs 2 cores out of the 4-core cable. We're just going to make sure that the cables we wire up here mirror what we're doing inside, otherwise it won't work. And yeah, then it's got just clips in nicely, and it's got a security screw so no one can take it off, and that's it. So this is the indoor unit. So basically it's the same cable that's out at the front, and basically we're just trying to keep it the same. And the only thing different on the indoor unit is you have a power supply which goes up into the roof, which is plugged in, and that brings power to here, which then sends a signal down this cable, and once that doorbell rings you'll get a signal here. It's really easy, very straightforward.
Hello Ross.
Let me in.
Come in, mate.
All right.
So here we have Ross on our screen. We've now powered up the system and we have a completely working system. So from here, Ross is able to ring the doorbell from the front, and obviously in the back of the house where the entertaining, the kitchen's happening, people are cooking, having fun, you're able to see easily who's at the door and what's going on. At any time you can tap and see outside in case somebody's trying to be sneaky. And you can also talk back and forth and let them in if you need to. This is a very simple system, but it does exactly what everybody needs in their house today.
24 by 600 RGB LCD resolution.
Just as he started filming. So here, guys, we have the external monitor. This is what Ross has been installing this afternoon. It's completely metal frame and makes it perfect for external use and gives it an excellent IP67 rating. With a sharp camera and an easy to use system, as well as LED lights for night, it makes it the perfect system both day and night for any residential install.
Hi guys, so yeah, we've come to the end of this install. James is just setting up the intercom with the customer, and we're just getting finished, packed up, tidied up, and it's just been another successful install for Brillare. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe.
Find it, and I'll just get you to choose your Wi-Fi and put your password in. Yeah, it's a successful reset.